Hello everyone, today on the bench we have another device from the same customer. It's another HS-PC202 Mark III. With this one I see we have more issues. Straight away we are missing some screws. Also, we're missing that bracket that latches right over here, and I think we will see. Maybe let's do a quick test. I don't like to do the testing because there are missing screws, but maybe nothing. Okay, but nothing is spinning. That's not a good sign at all. Okay, so I think let's unscrew the device and we will see who is who. Let's remove that one screw and tape door. Okay, head looks nice. We have some wear on those capstans. You know what, let's open the device and we will see. Okay, this is not the right screw. This is the right screw. This is the right screw. I think one of these will be not good. This one is okay. Okay, and what about that one? Okay, this one is not right. We have to use that one. Okay, so one issue is fixed. Right now let's unscrew this bracket, back plate. Okay, instantly I can see that we have a problem. We are missing soldering pad for one of the capacitors. We will have to think something about that. Okay. Let's remove the PCB fully. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, good. First of all, okay, this ribbon is not damaged. Then let's check what about the motor. What is wrong with that one? This one was not even soldered. That's why it was not spinning. Okay, and it is loud. Let's use some oil. I think that's enough. Let's now it is super quiet. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Capstans are also spinning very freely. Well, let's leave this part for a bit later, I think, process. Yeah. Now let's focus on the PCB. We have broken tracks. So actually, what if we would drill somewhere around this place? Because this one is not usable anymore. And under that is, yeah, that's huge. Okay, so we will have to track some wire. Then I don't like how that is looking. How it looks actually. You know what, at first let's clean maybe. And then we will see. Okay, right now I have to think how to connect that capacitor right over here. Maybe we can put some wires. Let's see, let's check the continuity and we will find some solution. Okay, so till then. Okay, so I came up with some solution. But now let's try to do that. Okay, just like that. Let's remove those remainers. And we will use this wire. Let's do it like that. And another one. Let's also make just like that, and we will solder this. But right now let's use some soldering mask. Let's use that UV light. Good, let's prepare capacitors and we will start soldering them one by one. Okay, so I have prepared all required capacitors, so let's start soldering them. Okay, so let me a bit explain what I have done right over here. Okay, so I have just bent those capacitor legs because there are no pads to solder. I have grabbed those points from here and here, respectively, yeah, and just traced that small wire through capacitor holes, and then because capacitor legs are not very thick, you know, we managed to squeeze that wire also with capacitor leg through that hole, those holes actually, and as you can see we have soldered it and it should work just perfectly fine. Okay, now let's clean a bit all the plugs, and we will finish with that PCB. And we have finished with the PCB. Okay. Alright, now let's focus on tape transport. And let's see what we can do. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna do, as always, that service. So I will remove all the capstans, loop those, then I will remove this bracket and oil those shafts for pinch rollers, and of course relube some gears in the mechanism, since this thing is not something new in our channel. I will just skip this part and see you when I will start putting back the belt. Till then. Okay, so I have finished all the necessary lubrication and cleaning. So right now let's just put on the belt. Okay, and the belt is straight. Yeah. Let's check a bit. Okay, right now I think that we can start soldering everything back together. I think at this point we can check the device, but before that, let's make us some cleanup of that tape transport. Let's put in the tape and let's hope that we will be able to hear some sound. It is playing too slow. And we don't have one channel, or right one. Yeah, we don't have the right channel. Okay, let me do the investigation and I'll be back when I'll find something. Okay, so that was quite strange one. But I managed to do it, to fix it. So the problem is that preamp of the head was not getting two signals, so two signals from and both of the right channel in both directions. And what I have found out that those are just corroded off vias, right, right, these ones. And now I have just tracked that wire and just soldered it in the corresponding places, and that's it. Now we have continuity between right channel head leads into both of directions, so this should be fine finally. Yeah, so right now we can assemble it, and we will do some basic test. And yeah, I was thinking, what the hell can go wrong, you know, because I thought that I have checked everything, and because those are those two vias are actually under the IC, I have not checked them fully. And because of that, we had that nonsense. So let's do basic testing again. Let's remove this tape that I was using just for the signal. And yeah, we have both channels playing. Okay, finally. So right now we can proceed with further steps. So let's first of all set the azimuth, and then after that we will check dolby levels and then tape speed. So let's, I think, start with azimuth adjustment. So let me adjust the azimuth, and as always I will put some photos in the video. Till then. Okay, so I have just set the azimuth. Let's lock that screw. I hope that you can see clearly. Okay. Okay, so ground, and at first let's check the right channel. Okay, the left channel. I think this will be fine. That's it. check tape speed and wound plotter. Okay, so we are a bit too slow. Okay, and we are in the range with actually wound plotter, another direction. Yeah, we are below 0.48 RMS. But we can definitely just tiny bit increase the speed. Tiny bit. I think like that. Let's see. In this direction. I think it will be okay. Yeah, it is what it is. This, I think, player maybe was used a bit more, because from what I can see that also capstans are showing some wear on them. Oh well. Okay, so let's, I think, do the assembly for this device. Before that, we can definitely do the tapehead magnetizing. So always not forget to put that switch correctly, otherwise you will not get any reverse, auto reverse functions. And now let's look for some small screws that are missing. Okay, so right now there is no lock because customer lost it. And I try to repair something process. Well, what can you do? Nothing. I think I will try to make one a bit later, but right now it is what it is. Okay, so since the part is already here, let's put it back. Okay. let's put it where it's supposed to go. Yeah. Just like that. And device will be finished. Yeah. Let's test. Good. Now it closes, and when you press the button, it goes out. You know what? Let's flip a bit this springy lever, and now, yeah, now it will be like that. It will, when you click, it will open a bit so that it will be easier for you to handle. Yeah. So this is it. That's what it is, and we will just check the device right now. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's try another direction. Yeah, so rewind, fast forward. All the functions are working just perfectly fine. So this is gonna be it regarding this Aiwa HS-PC202 MK3. Well, this one was a bit, not a bit, but quite a bit challenging to repair. But in the end, we have successfully done that. So I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.